In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display product variants as multiple products in Shopify. This is really useful if you have one product with many variants, like different colors or sizes, but you want each option to appear as its own separate product in your online store. It can make browsing easier for your customers and give you more control over how each version is presented. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. From here, choose the main product that currently has variants and that you want to turn into separate individual products. Click on that product to open its editor. Once you're inside the product editor, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you set up your new separate product based on the original. In the title field, give this duplicate a clear and specific name. For example, V-neck shirt black instead of just V-neck shirt. This helps both you and your customers identify exactly which variant this version represents. Below the title, you'll see options for which details you want to copy over from the original product, like media, SKUs, barcodes, inventory quantities, and translations. Check or uncheck these boxes depending on what makes sense for this particular variant. You can also choose the product status here, draft, active, or unlisted, depending on whether you want it live right away or not. When you're ready, click Duplicate Product at the bottom right of the pop-up. Shopify will now open the new duplicated product. Take a moment to review it. If some of the media, such as photos of other colors or styles, no longer match this specific version, you'll want to remove them. Hover over any image that doesn't belong. Check the box that appears on the top left of that image, and then click Remove at the top right of the media section. This keeps your product gallery accurate and focused. Next, scroll down to the Variants section. Click on the variant category, for example, color. You'll see a list of all the variants from the original product. For this separate product, remove any options that don't apply. Do this by clicking the small X icon on the right side of each variant you no longer want. When you're finished cleaning that up, click Done at the bottom right of the variants area. Now, adjust any remaining details as needed. This could include the description, pricing, inventory, or search engine listing, so they're tailored to this specific product version. Finally, when everything looks good, go to the top of the page and click Save near the search bar. You can repeat this process for each variant you want to display as its own product, giving your store a cleaner, more organized shopping experience.